Hey guys, it's Adriana here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make regular slime. Here, comment. Actually, no. I'm going to teach you guys how to make clear slime. Okay? So, I just started this slime thing, but I know how to make clear slime plus regular slime, but mostly not the other ones yet, but yeah. So I have a special guest today helping me. Drum roll, please. Tyler. Okay, so this is one clear slime that I made. Didn't really turn out clear, yeah. But look at that. It's really cool. Look.
Okay, what do we do outside?
Okay, please move, Derek.
Do we put activator? You go to my slime?
Yeah, move. Please. Please. Go with mommy. Go with mommy.
No way, mommy.
So this is really good slime that I made.
You can make slime with this? No,
it's not sticky. It looks a lot like jelly. And when my friend made it with me, she made like putty. Like hers turned into putty. But today I'm just gonna teach you how to make just regular clear slime. Oh wow, this is not coming off. Please get off of me.
Never.
Okay.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Are you gonna tell mommy?
Wait 1 second.
Oh.
Hey Tyler, you talk to them while I try to get the slime off.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adriana here. And make sure to like and subscribe and click the notification button. And bye! Just kidding. I'm being silly. I'm
No.
silly girl. Want to sit on this table? Want to sit on it?
Okay, Tyler, please get down. You're gonna knock down the iPad. Exactly. Sorry guys, she's a maniac.
No way.
But as I was saying, I was getting my slime off. So, no. Okay, everything's fine now. Just put that back in here. Okay, that kind of got a little bit better, but yeah. And I made more, but I don't want to show those. But okay, so what you're gonna need, the ingredients that you're gonna need for clear slime is borax, and then you're gonna need a bowl, a spoon or a spatula, and you're gonna need a clear glue, of course. Wait, here, I need to get this out.
Oh, yeah, you can do pink glittery. Do you want to do pink glittery after when we make the YouTube?
Yeah, sure. You need Please tell me where is clear glue. Please. I have clear glue. Oh yes, I got it. Okay, not that much clear glue left. So yeah. Okay. And then you need, oh, wait 1 second. I need to, you need teaspoons. You need, teaspoons. You need, teaspoons, and the teaspoon that you need is 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon.
And yes, I can do the borax part, even though I'm an 8-year-old. Probably think I'm gonna spill it, which I might, but yeah, hopefully I don't.
What do you have to do? Like one at a time. Okay. Not the big bowl.
Put that back, please. 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 Okay. So you need this. So you need borax, a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and a spatula, a bowl, clear glue. And if you want food coloring, you can. You just like add the food coloring after you add the glue. But yeah, wait 1 second because I need a cup of water. So you talk to them.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. This is Adrian's channel. I'm just in it. And I never made slime before, and I'm so excited to. And this is my first time making it. And my sister's gonna help me. So yeah, and this isn't my slime, like, things. It's Adriana's, but I'm just using it. So yeah, and she's back, so I'm gonna stop talking.
Okay. So you get a cup of water. Don't fill it up too high. Just fill it up to like right here, and then right now I'm gonna add the borax to it.
Can I help you?
Add the borax?
Yeah.
No.
Please?
So
I never did this before.
if you're a kid, please be careful. Oh, that's chunky. So you take it in, twist it like that. Take a scoop. Then look. Okay, please stop. Please.
Eat it.
Okay, no. He wants us to eat his McDonald's. So it would look like that. Then you would pour it into the cup of water. And then you take the end of the teaspoon,
Mix it.
stir with it.
Mix.
Okay, please stop.
Mix.
Okay, please stop.
There's our slime.
So I would rather do the borax first.
Wow.
Please stop. So I would rather do the borax first. Just stir for like at least like 1 minute or so, but and I would say that's pretty good for stirring. So that's really all you need the teaspoon for, but this is the borax that you're eventually gonna need to use.
Well, can I
So
touch
first,
it?
no, it's chemicals, I think. Yeah, but don't. Just don't. Okay, please stop. Can you get off the table? So then you're gonna start by pouring your clear glue in. How? Stop it. Okay. No, because I barely have any left. You can just watch, and then you can help with some other parts. But so you pour as much clear glue as you want in there.
You want a lot. And then can I mix it?
Really, just making regular clear glue is pretty easy and simple. Okay, so
But can
enough
I
of that
mix
clear
it?
glue.
Can I mix it when it's
Sure.
time to mix it?
Okay, sure, just a little bit though.
Can I mix
And then,
I want to mix
Please,
it.
not
Have
yet.
it.
Not yet. Then you're gonna take the borax, pour a little bit at a time. The borax with the water. Try not to
Can I
add
mix it?
too much.
I want to mix
Wait.
it.
And literally it like blends in with the clear slime.
I want to try.
And then once you like start
I want
to
to
stir it, like it will start to get like slimy and stretchy.
I want to try. Hey, Joanna.
Please stop.
That's not fair.
Tyler.
I never made slime before.
Exactly.
And you're not letting me.
You don't know how to do it.
Well, I want to mix it.
This is already getting kind of sticky. Okay, stir a little bit once I pour this in. Okay, that was not too bad. This is like already turning into slime. Trying to. I should add more. Wait, I need to add a little bit more, and then you can stir it.
I'm gonna dump it all out.
That was a little bit too much.
Not
I have like a little bit left. Okay.
Now can I mix it? Now can I mix it?
Can you wait?
No.
Please. I'm trying to like mix borax with slime and stuff. I just came home from school, so. Ooh.
Can I feel?
Turn it into slime.
Ooh, that feels cool. I poop on you. Just kidding.
Okay.
It's
Kind of turning into slime, not fully. Just stir for like 20 minutes or so. I don't know, because just stir as long as your slime like just is activated and stuff, and like it's like slime.
Can I? Oh, can I have McDonald's and Chick-fil-A? There you go. Thank you.
Okay, so once you're done stirring it, really that's it. So after you're done stirring it, really all that you need to do is kind of like, if you accidentally added too much borax, it's fine. Just kind of like squeeze it out and then start kneading it. See? Turning into slime. And the cool thing about clear slime is you can see through it. And I'm going to show you guys more clear. I'm going to show you one more. I'm going to show you how to make regular slime too, but with food coloring. So this is cool. So if you want to add color to your clear slime, after you pour the glue and then just get food coloring and pour that in, and then just do all the other steps after that I just showed you. Just you add the food coloring after the glue. But I'm gonna keep kneading this a little bit more. But yeah, and I'm gonna